If you don't like repetition, if you don't like planning, if you don't like eating the same thing every fucking day, training your ass off, not eating for taste, not eating for flavor, eating to look good naked and on stage. This is what we do, you know? I don't want to eat shit. I don't want to eat ice cream. I don't want to eat fucking pizza. I enjoy pizza. I enjoy a good shitty meal. But key word is shitty. I eat shitty food, I feel shitty. You can have the bullshit. You can have the fucking fast food. You can have the nights out of drinking, getting hammered with your fucking friends and feeling like shit the next day and snorting fucking lines of coke. And while you're snorting lines of coke, I'm taking shots of pre-workout. While you're drinking at the bar, I'm drinking a protein shake. While you're lifting the bar to your mouth, I'm fucking lifting a barbell to my face. Everybody has the ability to fucking do the same thing. Gotta make a choice. I choose this. It's all about the mindset. Control your fucking mind. You can dictate a lot more what happens in your life. Too many people live their life for other people. So, one thing I try to do is live my life for me, and not live for anybody else. I want chicken, rice, and steamed broccoli with no butter and no oil. Part of the job is eating. You gotta make time to eat. People like to make excuses. Stop making excuses and make your fucking food. Changes a lot of things. How to feed the fucking muscles after you train. Well, what's more important? Going to bed or fucking getting the meals in? I say you go to sleep when you're fucking dead. So I'm gonna get my meals in whether I'm tired or not. Who wears short shorts? I do. You gotta make sure you're keeping your engine running. This is a long motherfucking race. This ain't no sprint.